Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize WordPress footer section. Let's get started. In order to do this, you need to head over to your site, and this is what my site looks like. So when you scroll down, and you should be able to locate in here the footer. So this is what my footer looks like. So if you want to actually customize it, you can have the option to click on this customize option or also this edit page option. So for example, let's head over and open this customize option as well as the edit page option right here. Now on the customize option, it should be able to load us our actual page and we should be able to tweak it. So here it is right here on the customize option. You can actually customize the colors that they have. And when you select the color for your header and footer, it will change the color for your header and footer as well. So if you click on the select color, you can change it up into whatever you want. So for example, let's change it to blue. And as you can see, this is what it will look like. So you can also head over and save changes once you're done with that, or you can also provide a custom color that you want. So if you want to actually edit out some things, like for example, these links and also these links right here, you can head over to some menus that you have. So click on this menu right here and you can see the menus that are actually assigned on your footer. As you can see, I have in here this footer menu. Now when I click on it, it has Facebook and Instagram, which I have right here. Now you can also reposition them however you want, and then in here you should be able to see that this tool right here will change places once it's downloading, as you can see as well. Now you can also choose the menu locations and everything that you have in here as well. Now if you want to remove some things, like for example this like and share option, you can have some option on this content right here, and you can display single posts, pages, tags, categories, author, and dates. You can also see in here this homepage settings, wherein you can choose a homepage as well as a post per page, and also a lot more that is actually added in this case. And in here, if you want a more specified approach, you can use this additional CSS. As you can see, I've already used it in order to remove the powered by WordPress that is usually found right here, as well as the author form or the author name that we have on the page that we have as well. So once you're done with that, just click on the Save Changes. Now let's head over to the Edit page. Now this will open the block editor of our actual page. Now let's head back right here on our footer. And our footer actually is non-existent in this case. This because it is actually added as a theme. And you won't be able to see this in this particular case. Now you can also add some blocks to the footer if you want as well. But if you want to search in here for footer, you can also search in here for that, and you can add some few more things that you can add to your footer. And once you're done, you should be able to see this footer with simple menu. Now you can head over and choose which ones you want to use for this. So once you're done with everything, just click on the save option and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.